Hello everyone, Jason Verdelli, founder of expertsezine.com. And in this video, I want to share with you a tool that will help you come up with really good ideas on what to post out there as far as what to publish online. Essentially, if you're sitting there asking yourself, what do I write an article on, or what do I do a video on, or basically what do I put out there on expertsezine.com? Again, knowing that your email subscribers are going to see this, your social networking contacts, the website subscribers, what do you actually put out there? And how do you start getting other people to actually view the content, people that are actually searching for the content? And this is where Google Trends comes in, because there's people out there that are searching for content every single day. So a lot of what we usually focus our efforts on is getting to the people that are on our list, or our social networking accounts. But one of the things when we come up with content, we want to think about hey, what people are actually searching for, because that we'll start to attract new people, that are going to come off the web that, hey, find our post that we put out on Expertsezine because it is a very active website. Bam, before you know it, now they're making contact with you, especially if it's, business related and so forth. So one of the things you can do with Google, again, you just want to go to google.com/trends. Again, google.com/trends. What you want to do here in the search box is just type in whatever it is you're thinking about writing about. So you may want to put in maybe your profession, maybe something, it could be a profession, it could be an industry, it could be a specific topic, a cause of something, and so you can put anything really. But in this example, I want to show you, I'm going to use Charlie Sheen as one. The reason being is because we all know about, of course, Charlie Sheen was big into the news this past year. Again, I'm doing this in 2011. So I'm going to type his name in here very simply. Just click search trends. So if I want to maybe wanted to put something out there in my article on this particular topic, what Google Trends will do, as you can see, is give you a time, not only just it'll give you a timeline, it'll also give you some news topics based upon whatever you're searching. So you can see that, again, not really in this particular case, not too many people were really searching that his name, up until once you see here in March, again, you can see here in the benchmark, March 8, it hit its peak here in the search. So you could see the search volume way up, and and then back down again, which typically happens with news stories or when things hit the press and everything else, or depends on how much media is covering it. So, but when people are searching for that, again, people want to find more information about it. Again, this will give a good indication of whether that's valid or not. So I also may just another example, I may just put in say real estate. Real estate. Now, keep this in mind. So, of course, real estate, this is going to be a little bit more steady and everything else. And again, you can see some of the different news stories that are sort of popping up over time. But here's another cool tool about with Google Trends is if you are writing, say you're writing content and you're pretty much regionally based, you can actually go over here to this box up here where it says all regions. Select that. Let's just say that in the U.S. And then it'll pull a sub-region, so I can say U.S., Pennsylvania, and maybe I would look in the last 30 days as an example. And again, you can see sort of trends, just for that specific area. So again, this is Pennsylvania in the last 30 days, but you can look in, say, Montana, for instance. Obviously the results are going to be a little bit different. So if you see a trend, long story short, and I'll just keep this very brief. If you see a trend where it's starting to go up, and considerably up, in the going along with the search volume, if it's going up there, or rising up, that's where your indication is. It's going to tell you, hey, maybe there's something here. Maybe I need to write about something with this specific topic. And again, it'll give you some news stories related to that. So if you want to include some of these news stories, maybe reference some of them, it'll be very good. Again, you probably want to choose more of the recent ones that are put out there. And again, it will give you that piece of data. So again, it's giving you a lot of different things to tell them, hey, how many people are actually searching for this, as well as, here are some of the topics related to that. And then, you can always break that down a little bit further. What this means for you is more eyeballs looking at your content. and more eyeballs that are actually, they're actually searching for your content. That's the key thing. People are searching for it. They're trying to either find a solution or find information about it. So if what you do, if you're putting in words that are very solution oriented, then again, using Google Trends will help you generate more eyeballs from that. Again, just being on expertseasing.com is going to help you generate that much faster because, of course, it's a very active website, got everybody else publishing on there, so the likelihood of your article actually getting out in some of these search terms is going to be much greater. So that said, again, thanks for watching. Hopefully this has been helpful. If you have any questions, you can just go to our contact page on expertseasing.com, and we will go from there.